Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Akita Inu. What's the current price of the Akita, what's the prices occur in Akita, and in this video I'm talking about the very important update of Akita. So keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Subscribe is very important for all of you because I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel friends. Let's move on and let's start the video friends. The current price of the Akita is 0.000008 USD dollar is the current price of the Akita. So friends, a lot of people also ask me this question that we invest in Akita or not. So for those people, my suggestion is that please invest in Akita if you want to invest, because the price is very low friends. On the other side, if you look the price since occur in Akita, so absolutely the price since occur in Akita is also good friends. The price is positive, only the last one day price change is negative, and the last 1 day, last 1 hour price change is positive friends. So if you look the price charts, absolutely as you can see here from the previous time they fast down, but now they taken a jump. As you can see here, take jump in this time and again falls down friends. So now I know at this time they again falling time. So I hope as you can see here that as I show you in the start of this video, that the last 1 hour price change is positive. So I hope that they continue this jump for a long time. And friends, if you look the price change occur in the last 1 day, so negative 13.92% change occur in the Akita, and the highest price is 0.0009 USD dollar. My personal advice for all of my viewers is that please don't sell it. It's time to hold friends, because that is the temporary falls of Akita. After this falls, they again take a jump. Remember that, mark my word, that after this falls they again take a jump. Don't do this mistake and don't sell Akita at this time friends. Anyways, what's your prediction? Please share them in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.